Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this small, cool, amazing product right here that's by a brand called Anker. And if you guys remember or watch a lot of my videos, you guys know that I test many products that is by this brand Anker, such as speakers, headphones, and etc. So this time I have a new product that they're actually selling that's called a PowerDrive 2 alloy, which is for the car charger. We have to plug into the car to charge your devices. So first thing first, let me unbox and show you guys what it looks like first and what comes inside this little small little package. So when you open the package, it has a very nice little opening to make it easier for you to open your stuff. So all you have to do is pull this little part out, and then there's the actual product. And then inside they actually have like an instruction guide or user manual on how to set up the product and kind of contact them via the email if you have any concerns or issue with the product. Then they have a little thank you card and satisfaction card to let you guys comment if you have anything to comment about the product. But you guys all came here to see the product right here. Very nice little packaging. This thing is literally so small, it's amazing. Like, look at this thing. I think out of all the car chargers that I've ever tested or have in the past, none of them are as small as this. This is like literally so compact, it's like ridiculous. So you guys can see right there, they use the IQ technology, and if you guys can see, it's kind of like a quick charge 3.0 kind of charger right here that you can actually plug onto your car to charge it. So when you plug in this device, you guys will be actually able to charge this product really fast, much faster than a lot of other products that are in the market. So first thing first, let me actually plug this into the car and test it out, and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the Anker PowerDrive Alloy 2 plugged in, and we have two cables right now plugged into the device, and we're going to test it out to see whether it actually works or not. So we're going to plug in the first one onto my iPhone. Alright, so the first iPhone works. Next we're going to plug in the second cable onto the other iPhone. Alright, so that one works, and the other one right here is still charging as well, if you guys can see. So it does work to charge both products at the same time, and it's actually supposed to charge really fast. So I'm going to test it out for a little bit and then go back and then talk about the product of how fast it charges and whatnot. Also, what's really amazing about this product is the fact of how small it is. So like, if you guys look at the thing, it is so small onto like this little charger outlet. Like, you just plug it in and it fits perfectly. It's no wasted space or anything. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that it actually charges quite amazing. And I was actually able to test it to see how long it takes to charge like iPhone XS Max from 0 to 100. And the time is actually quite amazing. Like on the actual Amazon page, it says that it actually charges up to 2 hours or roughly around 2 hours. And if you guys use like other charger, it would probably take like an hour more, so like 3 hours or something. And I was actually quite surprised because it took me around like 2 hours something to actually charge this fully from 0 to 100. But I think it would have charged a little bit faster if it wasn't for the technologies that's actually built into the iPhone. I'm not sure if you guys know or not, but on the settings there's an option where it actually slows down the charger when it reaches to 80%, so it actually takes a little bit longer than it's supposed to. So if you guys turn off that option, they'll probably charge the product in like 2 hours. And what I really like about this product is the fact that the material that they use on this actual car charger is actually scratch resistant. So that's perfect for all you guys people who are really clumsy out there and worry about getting scratches on this product. And the material that they use inside are premium gold plated coil. So pretty much what that means is that it uses less heat, more efficient, and it uses low resistant, which is really important when you guys are actually using car chargers to actually charge a product. So with all that being said and actually testing out the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around $14 or $15, and for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it or not? So for me, honestly, I have to say that it's actually really worth it because of the fact of how small and compact this product is and what it can do. You guys can charge two products at the same time and actually will charge your iPhone XS Max in 2 to 3 hours. So pretty much if you guys need this product, then it'll be worth it. But if you guys don't need this product, then obviously it's not worth it. You guys don't need to buy something like this. And if you guys ever like tried or used Anker products, you know that their products are always good quality and it's always fast charging because they're always trying to be the best product out there in the market. So if you guys don't like the product, you guys can always contact Anker to see if there's any solution on fixing the product. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out, there we have